The newest Instagram feature, IGTV, has lots of people looking for tips on how to create and edit vertical videos to post on their IGTV channel. If you're one of those people, you've come to the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to film and edit vertical videos to post on IGTV. Now let's get started. Since IGTV is a vertical video platform, there are a few things you'll need to do differently if you're used to creating content for traditional horizontal video platforms. Let's first go over some tips for filming videos vertically. Tip number 1. One of the easiest ways to film vertically is using your smartphone or tablet. All devices like this have at least one built-in camera, so we'd recommend making use of it. Make sure you keep the device upright so that you're recording your video vertically and not horizontally. Tip number 2. If you have a more high-quality camera like a DSLR, you can also try tipping your camera on its side to record vertically as well. Tip number 3. If you find that too challenging, you could also record horizontally, but be mindful while recording that the sides of your video will be cut off in order for it to fit into the 9:16 vertical ratio required for IGTV videos. Once you've recorded your video footage, you can upload it to IGTV as is if you're happy with it, or you might want to edit it a bit. When editing your IGTV videos, we'd recommend adding fun music, filters, and other effects to make your videos more enticing. People will be more likely to want to keep watching your content if it's entertaining and well edited. To go along with your well-edited video, we'd recommend creating a cool cover image to help attract viewers to watch your IGTV content. Take a photo to use as the cover before or after filming your video, or even take a screenshot of part of your video to make the cover. Then, you can use a photo editing app to add filters and text. Having nicely edited cover photos will help bring your IGTV channel to the next level. Regardless of what edits you want to do, you'll need some software to do them with. Here are some recommendations for editing your videos. The easiest way to go about editing vertical videos for IGTV would be to use a video editing app on your smartphone. This way, as soon as you're done editing, you can upload the completed video from your smartphone to IGTV. A couple of popular video editing apps for both Android and iPhone are InShot Video Editor and an app called Magisto. Both of these apps are available for free from the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. InShot allows you to put together multiple video clips, trim clips, and cut out any unwanted parts. Adjust the canvas size to ensure your video is the correct size for IGTV, add text, filters, stickers, and music. The only downside to this app is that there is a small watermark in the bottom right corner. You can get rid of it for a fee of $3.99, but considering how many options this free app has to offer, the watermark isn't a bad compromise. Magisto is quite different. It's a smart video editor that does all the hard stuff for you. All you have to do is choose a theme, select your video clips, and add music, and the app does the rest. You can use Magisto's free music library or choose from music on your own device. You can also use this app to make photo slideshows with music, text, and effects. After the app has created your edited video, you can tweak the videos yourself if there are parts you want to trim or cut out. The app itself is free, and the video editing service offers a free trial for 7 days, but after the trial period, you have to pay $4.99 monthly for the service. In comparison to many other video editing software options, Magisto is relatively inexpensive. Find links to download both of these apps, as well as links to tutorials on how to use them in the description box below. If you don't want to edit with an app, you could also choose to use a video editing software on your computer, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, or Wondershare Filmora. This would require you to import the videos to your computer, edit them, then transfer the final product to your smartphone or tablet to upload it to your IGTV channel. However, many desktop video editing software options have more features and capabilities than most mobile editing apps, so it's up to you which route you want to take. That covers everything you need to know to film and edit videos for IGTV. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.